To pair your Oticon hearing aids to your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your hearing aids are turned on. And then you're going to want to open your settings app. And then you're going to want to scroll until you see accessibility. And then you're going to want to click on that. And then you're going to scroll a little bit more until you see hearing devices. So you're going to click on that. And now your iPhone is searching for your hearing aids. And here we see that they found them. So we're going to click on this. Two little screens will pop up and it'll say pair or cancel. And you're going to want to hit the pair button twice. So we're going to pair. Now both of your hearing aids are streaming to your iPhone.